Hi, this is Harish here. Welcome to DB2 LUW Tips and Tricks video tutorial part 168. In this video tutorial, the tip that I wanted to provide is super exclusive lock is obtained on table on not logged initially activated. So if you activate not logged initially on a table, super exclusive lock is obtained on the table. The scripts that I'm using, the data files that I'm using are available for free download at db2lewacademy.blogspot.com. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, youtube.com/db2lewacademy. So this is the activate not logged initially scenario. So when you alter the table to activate the not logged initially, the usual use case is to avoid the log space full condition, less amount of transactional logging, bulk changes can be done. There can be create drop indexes or things like that we can be done. Until the transaction is committed, the lock will be held, and we should use this with caution because there are risks involved. There can be a loss of table if you roll back the transaction, which is, we understand all those things. But the core concept that I wanted to share with you is, if you perform like activate not logged initially, if you activate the not logged initially feature of a table, then that particular application is going to obtain a super exclusive zlock, which means the table is not accessible to any other user except for the one who is acquired the lock. And like it's so restrictive that even select with uncommitted read is also not available. And functionally we can say the table is down or in like a not accessible state. So you're going to, like, seriously, if somebody is going to access with UR and they're going to say how come with UR is also not working, that isolation level is the least. But it will not be accessible. So the table is functionally down, actually, we can say. Even if you explicitly issue a lock statement or a lock table statement, it acquires only zlock. It does not acquire zlock, it acquires only exclusive lock. And you should be still be able to your isolation level should be able to work in that scenario. But this, so just keep that in mind. That is what I am trying to demonstrate here. So let's go to the example so quickly. So okay, so I already have this sample database connected table and inserted data. So let me just lock the table in an exclusive mode, and we'll see how this works. Okay, if I show you db2 connect, yeah, it's already connected. And I lock the table in exclusive mode, and I'll come here, I'll say list applications, and you can see the application handle is 20. I'll get the snapshot. So you can see that this is in a exclusive mode state. And even if I add a new tab and log in into this machine, okay, the remote db2 machine. So I'm going to do that and log in as LUW, and I'm going to run a particular, like the with UR statement, right? So I'm going to run that, and let's see whether I'm able to access that. So you can see that I'm able to access the records with UR isolation level. Okay, so that is the idea. So because this even though it is having exclusive lock, it is still it's able to see it is obtained the exclusive lock, and it is still able to, another application is able to run the show, right? At least at UR isolation level. So I'll commit the transaction. So now I'm going to perform something like alter not logged initially, activate not logged initially. Okay, so once I do that, you can see that in the logs, see, this is the one I'm saying, table log super exclusive. And you can see at the application snapshot level also, table level, the mode is Z, so super exclusive log is obtained. And if I go here and try to connect to the sample database and run the select query, I'm like stuck. So you can see the lock will be waiting here. So I'll show you here. See, this is the waiting lock, and the lock that is waiting is this one, which is super exclusive. And with UR isolation level also, I am not able to do that. So unless I do a commit of the transaction, you see, after committing, it has returned the result. So I can connect reset, and I'll exit, I'll exit, I'll exit, and so you can see the locks here. Yeah, locks is gone. Locks is gone. So because I committed the transaction. So until you hold the activate not logged initially without this commit, you are functionally making the table not available. Okay, so that is what I wanted to share. It was pretty new to me. I realized this very later only. Hopefully this information was useful to you. Subscribe to my channel. Watch. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video tutorial. Until then, bye bye.